What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Just bought these earbuds. They're wireless Bluetooth S2s, true wireless they say, but they come with their own little charging case. I'm really kind of fallen in love with these types of earbuds. So let's just open this up here and take a look at it. So there we go. It just opens up like that. And to me, the case itself is pretty nice. It's like this spun aluminum. Looks like it has gold trim on it. It just looks and feels like a high quality piece. I mean, this is all metal case here, and pretty clever. So you know, these things are not particularly cheap because the rechargeable earbuds charge in this case, but then the earbuds themselves are completely separated. So look at that, man. That is really nice looking. I am kind of smitten with how like luxurious these look, despite the fact that you know, they're just earbuds. I think they look great though, man. So you just pull them out. They kind of stick in there magnetically. See, don't have to worry about them falling out. And on the case here we have a cover. Let's see, I'm not sure. Something, there we go. This side comes up, micro USB port right there, power in. So that's how you charge this case. And it's not a high capacity battery. I wonder if it says here. But usually a few hundred milliamp hours. Oh, 850 milliamp hours. And then in the earbuds themselves, they're like 45 milliamp hours. We do have a LED light, a little hole there. And we also have an out right here. So, oh, it'll work like a power bank. So I presume you could give something that has a USB cord a little bit of a charge too, which is kind of cool. And then we have a power button right here. So if I go ahead and hold that down, see if we've got a charge on this bad boy. Apparently not. So I will let this sucker charge. But then let's just take a look at the earbuds themselves. They are marked left and right. They're also blue. This whole blue housing here is kind of like a silicone cover. It feels really soft and rubbery. You've got an ear cap on there, which is removable. And then we have looks like maybe the light, or the hole right there. Maybe it's a microphone hole, but let's just go ahead and hold one of these down. See if we can get these to power on. There it is. You turn them both on, and then you hold the right one down so you get the flashing red and blue. And then you pair it to your device. So you need them both on to connect to each other, and then you use the right one to set up pairing. All right, guys, so got these paired and have been listening to them right and left. You can see they're still on, still charged. I got the power bank charged up here too. You can see how the light stays on there, but while it's powered on. And I just want to say that these things are super cool. First of all, the coating on them makes them really super comfortable. The ear cups are obviously super comfortable, very standard earbud like cups, but while they do have a little weight to them, they aren't heavy, and when you put them in the ear, man, they kind of melt away, and they're really nice. But the sound quality is great. And in fact, I'm going to be trying out a bunch of different and new earbuds because, you know, I really like active noise cancellation for over the ear. But I'll tell you what, these earbuds, even if they don't have active noise cancellation, they fit into the ear canal. The whole silicone piece kind of filters out, kind of isolates you and filters out the noise, and you get just really great sound. And this was no different. You know, if I were to look here and I was listening to Machine Gun Kelly, boom, with these earbuds, man, the music was just fantastic. You can control the music with your iPhone in my case. And I will also say that, you know, the sound reproduction was just great, you know, from the bass to the highs and lows. Again, most earbuds are just really good at that because, you know, you're not losing sound, it's not bleeding out the sides, you know, it's all really focused. So these are really awesome. I love the fact that these just slip in here and stay in there magnetically. You can have the whole thing in a nice easy travel compartment, and you can see there that they are charging and the nice light that's on there. I will also say that I'm assuming that little hole there on both of these is a microphone. I'm assuming you can use either one of them like a headset for taking calls, because I was able to make a call, but at least I was able to do it. So that's pretty nice. You know, you can actually take a call. And The other thing I want to say is just from the use side of it, I thought that might be a light, but you can see that the light is behind this little, kind of translucent plastic cover, and it does flex. The button is right under there. It's really easy to manipulate, and so it's pretty nice. And I also like the fact that the R and the L are really prominent, so it's not confusing when you're grabbing them, because a lot of the earbuds tend to be really small. So pretty awesome. I really like these. These S2 earbuds, man. Just the whole kit and caboodle here makes it pretty snazzy. So check them out. I'll put a link to in the description. Peter Von Panda out.